Hello everyone, this is Grandma Anna with some fun hands-on preschool activities for the letter H is for house and F is for family. As usual, I will be sharing some printables with my subscribers. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a like. This first activity is a literacy activity. I'm going to have several books that we're going to read throughout the week. This one's called My Mom. It's got really cute pictures. So we're going to read this book about my mom. We're going to be reading this book, I Like Myself. This one is called Dear Daddy, I Love You. We're going to be reading about my cat because my grandson has a cat. We're going to pick a poem to read from this book. And we're also going to be talking about our feelings. So we're going to read this book, The Crayon's Book of Feelings. Super cute book, you all. So for this activity, I am going to be using some magnetic letters and this printable that I created. I'll go ahead and link it below. I have 6 houses, 6 different colors, and we're going to talk about the letter H for house. We are going to work with some letters and just place the letter H on the house. This is a great beginning letter sound activity. This next activity is a fine motor skills activity. I'm going to be using this toy. It's Button Art by Alex Discover. I actually bought this at the thrift store. It comes with 10 cards and it comes with the little buttons. So we're going to put this together. So this toy comes with this tray and then you put this on top and you put the picture. So today we're going to be working with the house. Then we're going to be using the buttons. It is color coded, so we're going to be matching the pink. There's orange, yellow, and so on. Super fun activity, you all. For this activity, we are going to talk about the word family and what is a family. We are going to be using these mega blocks. I went ahead and put a picture on each one of them and we're going to talk about our family. There's dad and mom, brother, and that's me and our cat. We can also talk about extended family, grandma and grandpa, their dad's parents, and my other grandma and grandpa, that's my mom's parents. We also can talk about cousins. This is my cousin Lily, and so on. For this activity, I'm using the printables with the little houses, and we are also going to be using this All About Me family counters. This is from Learning Resources. This All About Me family counters are so cute, you all. They come, it's the dad, the mom, the brother, the sister, a baby, and a cat. And they come in 6 different colors. So what we're going to do is we're going to sort them by color. So we're going to be putting them on the little houses, and we're going to sort them by color. Super fun way to talk about family and to sort all of the little families by color. Another thing that we're going to do with this is we're going to sort the families. We're going to put all the dads in one line, all the moms, the brothers, the sisters, the babies, and the cats. We're going to be putting them all in a row. For this activity, I created this printable. I'll go ahead and link it below. We're going to be looking at the letter F, the uppercase, and the lowercase. You can leave it the way it is, put it in a sheet protector, or you can cut it and laminate it, which is what I did. And we're going to be looking at the letter F. We're going to say the F sound, and we're going to try to find it. We're going to cover it when we find the letter F. Same thing with the lowercase. We're going to look and find the letter F and put a manipulative on the letter F. We're going to do the same thing with the letter H, and you can use whatever manipulative you have at home. We're going to look and cover. This next activity is a vocabulary building activity. I'm going to be using these cards that I created. I'll go ahead and link them below. We're going to look at the letter, the beginning letter sound, mom, and there's the picture of mom. Dad, brother, sister, baby, dog, and cat. For this activity, we are going to be looking at the word mom, and it's a beginning letter sound activity. I'm using magnetic letters, and we're just going to match the letter, the beginning letter of the word mom. Dad, dad. Brother, and so on. for this activity, I'm going to be using these cards that I created. I have the word, I have mom, dad, cat, and dog. I also have matching pictures and some toys. My grandson is not reading yet, so I will read the word to him, mom, and then he's going to look through these cards and find the card that goes with the word, mom. Then he's going to find the toy and match it. We're going to do that with all of the words. This is a free printable, and I'll go ahead and link it below. For this activity, I went ahead and put this together. It's a picture of a house. We're going to build the house using pattern blocks. For this activity, I'm using a can. I went ahead and got some stickers. I put a magnet in the back, and we are just going to have fun decorating this can using little manipulatives. This is some pom-poms. I printed a little picture of a family and a house, and of course we're using the letter J for my grandson's name, Joshua. Some buttons, whatever you have at home, just a fun activity. This next activity is a sensorial activity. I put together this sensory bin. I'm using some pasta, alphabet pasta that I colored. This is very inexpensive. If you go to the grocery store and go to the Mexican aisle where they have all the Mexican products, you can get this pasta. I got it. The little bags were 3 for $1, and I went ahead and used 2 of them. I'm using magnetic letters. I'm using some of the little manipulative from the family unit, or you can use the little cards and magnetic letters. And my grandson's just going to play with this and have lots of fun. This next activity is just creative play. I'm going to set up some little houses. These are just boxes. You've seen this because I've used this in a video before. And I'm just going to have my grandson play and just have fun. I hope you enjoyed the activities I had for you today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.